Hey guys, in today's video we are going to be unboxing a Makeup Obsessions unboxing because I did make the PR list a few months ago and I finally got my big box of stuff. I did get a few other things and I'll show you those things too. I got 3 palettes from them already before this big box. So if you want to see everything I got and a mini first impressions kind of explanation of what the product is, please keep on watching. And make sure you subscribe at the button down below and turn on the notification bell so you're notified when I upload so you don't miss an upload from me. And I would love to see you return to my channel. So don't mind this on my forehead. It's one of those salicylic acid pimple reducers because this gotta go. I can't do this because I don't wear makeup every day and I don't want to wear makeup every day. And this is a very bad pimple and it's very deep. It will not pop. So that's what that is. If you're wondering what in the world I got in between my eyes, that's what that is. They're from Patchology, the breakout box. Definitely check those out because I am living for it completely. I was making sure my audio is playing. But yeah, let's just get right into this video. I'm going to do swatches of all the palettes. I'm going to do everything that I can, but I'm just going to talk through everything and then insert clips of the swatches. And yes, I got new hair. It's gray and blonde. It's more gray whenever I let it down, but this bun is struggling today, so I'm not gonna do that. I'll insert a picture right here of what it looks like. There you go. So we got this huge box filled with stuff, and I need to grab the other 3 palettes in a second. This is the stuff, and they actually gave me a cute tote bag too, which I'm obsessed with and I'm excited for because I feel like as I get older, the more tote bags I need. I mean, I can't have enough. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and show you the tote bag the tote bag first. So this is super cute. It's yellow. It's a bright yellow color, and it looks like this. It says Makeup Obsession on it. I'm living for this so much, and it's so cute, and it's very good size. So I just got another tote bag, I guess. Okay, so you're gonna see that pile up there. I want you to let you know you're gonna see that pile up a little bit. Don't judge me. Okay, so I'll go through the collaboration they just did. This is with, I don't know how to say her name right. I think it's Rady or Rady. One of those two. They did a collaboration here with her for 3 palettes. I think I might have the campaign. No, I don't anymore. I lost the campaign photo. Where it went. So that's that. But she did launch 3 palettes, 2 eyeshadow palettes and a highlighter palette. I'll show you guys the highlighter palette first. This is double-sided and it is Sunlight and Moonlight, and I really like it. So on this side, Moonlight, it looks like this. So cute, and it says a cute little note up here from her. I'll link her channel and everything down below. And these are the shades. We have Fairy Lights, Dancing Elves, Nocturnal, and Full Moon. And then on the other side, which is Sunlight, it looks like this, and we have a little bit more of a deeper kind of blush on this side. Supernatural would be such a pretty blush topper. Midsummer's Day is like this peachy pink kind of highlight. Treasure Hunt is I'm living for this color. It's like a bronzed champagne. And then we got another champagne color. It's called My Sunshine. It is similar to Fairy Lights on the other side, but it's a little bit deeper. So that is this palette. This retails for $15 as well. I believe all these palettes retail for $15. Correct me if I'm wrong, but that's what I think. So let's get on to her eyeshadow palettes because I have a lot of palettes to go through. So let's start with Daydream. This is a Daydream palette. It's very colorful, vibrant, and I'll actually link her video explaining everything about her palettes down below. I know her boyfriend actually designed these palettes for her, and that is goals. We have the shade Dream Chaser, which is this purple. We have Vermilion, which is a red color. It looks so pretty. Storyteller, which is a orange. Hue, which is a lime green, and I'm living for that color. Rain Dance, which is a poppin' silver. Lily, which is a magenta, a magenta pink, and I wouldn't say it's pink, but I wouldn't say it's magenta. It's somewhere in the middle. Avalon, which is this berry, it's like a berry burgundy. It's in the middle of that. Love Spell, I don't know, but I really love this color. And then we have Pixie, which is a shimmery kind of pixie green color, and then Happy Tears, a turquoise blue. That's shimmer. I'm living for that color. Nymph, which is a teal. Maxim, I believe that's what it is, and it's pretty much a matte version of Happy Tears. And we got this Poppin' White, Snow White. Yellow Rose, which is a neon yellow. Bumblebee, which is a muted kind of it's like a mustard yellow. The Hitchhiker is it looks like a satin orange. So that's the colors in these palettes, and I really love these palettes. $15 again. She did her thing with this. The packaging is lovely. And then last of her collection, we have the Dusk palette, which this is completely fall. I did a look with this, and I am so excited to use this. Well, show you how I used it. But the first color we have, I think it's Angel. It's spelled different. I want to say Angel. It's like a shimmery white. Crown, which is I wouldn't say it's a champagne. It's like a peachy gold. Treehouse, which is it's like a red toned brown. It's so pretty. We have Grace, which is a green. It's like an olive green gold. I love those kind of colors. Firefly, which is a taupe shimmer. Splendid, which is a deep rose gold. Princess, which is a light shimmery rose pink. Moss is like a taupey dark brown metallic. Ooh, I don't know how to say this word. Lothlorine? I don't know, but it's like a taupe. It's like a grayed out taupe metallic. And then Pergola, sorry about the dogs. Pergola is like a olive green. Rose Madder is a rosy, delicious pink. Rosy Lee, I think that's what it is. It's like a grayed out plum. It's really muted. It's really pretty. Otter Baby is a deepened grayed out brown. Puck is a deep teal. It's like a blue. It leans bluish teal instead of greenish teal. Sorcery is a metallic plum color. And of course, this palette just needed black Eclipse, and this is a really juicy black. Like, I love it. So this is the Dusk palette. This is what the palette packaging looks like. And like I said, her boyfriend did such a good job on packaging. Like, I'm so impressed. I do have two of the Neon Jungle palette because they sent me this one and they sent me this one too. So I'm gonna put this aside for my sister. Her Instagram is nieces_makeup. So definitely go follow her because she gonna one up me one day. Like, we have a lot of videos in here. I'll put the playlist where she's always in my videos, so I'll put the playlist right here. Like, she popping, y'all. She funny too. So this is the Neon Jungle palette. I did try to use this one time, but like, I just wasn't feeling makeup. It's not the palette. They have palettes like really good, but this is what it looks like. It's a bright neon palette. It's like a neon palette, but you can also get the most wearable looks out of it. I love it. First shade we got is Tiger, orange. Why not? You need an orange. It's just a jungle color. Then we got Born, which is, this color is so pretty. It's like the perfect transition color for my skin tone. Island is I want to say it's a cool tone version of Born, but in a metallic formula. Savannah, Amazonian is a deep like maroon plum. Jungle Mist is like, I don't know, I feel like this leans more green gold a little bit, just a hint of green gold. Monsoon is a deep navy shimmer. Banana Leaf is I want to say it's the equivalent of Tiger, but a little bit more yellow. Then we got this pretty shade called Macaw, and it's like a sky blue. It's like a deepened sky blue. Passion Flower, which is this pink, this bright vibrant pink we always need. Gecko, which I love how they spell gecko. If you don't know, I have reptiles, so I really want a gargoyle gecko, and I'm definitely going to name them after this color. I've named two of my geckos after eyeshadow palettes or highlight palettes or makeup. This is my next gecko. That is cute. It's like a really bright, vibrant mint green. Orchid is an orchid purple color. I've seen orchids. This color is so pretty. Starfruit is a very, very vibrant gold. Cacao. I think it's cacao. This color is like a deepened purple, but it reflects a little bit of maroon and magenta. It's so pretty. Then we got Madagascar, which is a deep chocolate brown. It's more cool toned. Then we got Camouflage, which is it's like a forest green. That is this palette. I'm obsessed with this palette. So if I was to get any palette, it would be this one and the next one I'm going to talk about. If you're watching from IGTV, hi, I'm going to do this much more on here too. So be prepared. So the next palette that I got is the Belle Jordan palette. You guys, if you know me personally, you know I'm obsessed with her. This palette is so her, and it's gorgeous. Like, I am obsessed with I see so many looks in this palette. Everything about this palette is like so gorgeous. So going through the shades, we got this matte white Starlight. Then we got this pinky nude shimmer. It's called Glow Baby, which would be so pretty on the brow bone. And then we got this matte shade with a little bit of gold shimmer in it. It's called Pops. We got Bear, and Bear is like a true bronze color, I believe. We got Sagittarius, which is this pink. It's like a peachy orange. It's not orange, but it's not peach. It's like right in the middle. And then we have Sassy, which is a burgundy shimmer. Again, I'll link Belle Jordan's video explaining her palette down below because why not? So, and then next we get Hot Sauce. It's a really deep red. And then we have Queen, which is a burgundy with gold shimmers in it as well. Then we have 1706. And then we got Mama's Girl. We have Magic. So cute. Is just definitely so cute. And then we got Miami, which is a vibrant amethyst purple. And we have 13, which is a blackened plum. AF, which is, it's like a gold. It's like one of those cool tone gold colors, and it looks really foiled. Then we have Lola, which is a true black. So that is her palette. I love this palette. I cannot wait to use this palette. I can't wait to support her because she is just like so freaking sweet. It's like she's amazing. And I remember one time she actually blew up my Instagram with likes and I about fangirl. So the next one we have is the Dream with a Vision palette. It is very pastel. I feel like this is a palette that I would challenge myself with. And I'm just so obsessed with it. Like, I love it. Like, I see so many looks in here and I'm so excited. I think I might save this one for spring. So let's go through the shades of this one. We have Daydream, which is a very, very light lavender. Then we have Cloud, which is a metallic white. Mystical, which is a metallic lavender. Ambition, which is one of the deeper shades. Silver Lining speaks for itself. It's a nice silver. Fantasy is a baby pink shimmer. Skylight is I want to say it's like an aqua color. It's not mint. Then we have Bubble, which is so pretty and I love that they used that name for this color. Then we have a matte white named Imagine, and then we have Sunshine, which is a pastel yellow. Dreamy, which is a muted hot pink. We have Aspiration, which is a cool toned purple plum. Then we have Stargaze, which is hard to explain. This color is hard to explain. We have Visualize, which is a muted. Why is my voice cracking so much? Goodness gracious! This is a muted blue. And then we have Clarity, which is a pastel grayed out blue. Then we have Wishes, which is a nice deep plum color. This palette is like, oh, it's so beautiful. Like, I've never seen anything like this. I'm excited for this one too. This one is Love Is My Drug. This is definitely Valentine's Day worthy. Okay, so this is what the palette looks like. It's I love the packaging, like this rose gold on the inside. Oh, and their mirrors are very, very good quality. Like, they're really clear. They're not foggy. So let's go through the shades of this palette as well. We have a bone color named Smitten. Then we have Crush. Then we have Fancy. Then we have Addiction, Infatuation, Romance. We have Admire, Cherish, Affection, Spark. Then we have Flame. And then we have True Love, Fixated. And then we have Be Mine. Then we have Less Than. Lastly, we have Devotion. And that is this palette. Perfect for Valentine's Day. Okay, so now we have Sweet Light. Look at this packaging. This is so cute. So this palette, I believe, might be $9.99. I'm not sure. But this is what the palette looks like. It's so gorgeous. It's called Sweet Light. And I love this palette. Like, it's so simple, but it's like such a statement. Okay, the first shade we have is Sweetie. And then we have Blossom. Then we have Blushing. We have Claret. It's a cherry color. Like, literally, this is the color of cherries. We have Luscious. And then we have, oh, I don't know how to say this. Cerise? I don't know, but it's a hot pink matte. And then I love that they added this color in here, Tangy. And then we have Crimson. Then we have Pop. And then we have Candied. And that is this palette. So cute. Packaging is everything, and I'm obsessed with this. I didn't get this in time for Halloween, but I will still use it because, like, sometimes during the year I like to do these, and I probably will start doing Halloween looks now for next year and get those up and scheduled so I can, like, have a ton of Halloween looks. Sorry, someone's texting me. I had to make sure it wasn't anything important. So we got this, and they're just labeled 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I will swatch them for you guys, and I need to get this open because so this is what this palette looks like. It is a cream. It's like cream. It's a cream face paint palette. I've seen a lot of people use these, and I'm actually really excited to use this. I really love this taupe color that they have in here. And then this palette is Take It to the Grave, and I feel like this is like legit a subculture dupe. Like, this is like literally, this is subculture vibes to the fullest, and this is so pretty. We have 6 Feet Under, Graveyard, Tombstone, Deceased, Gravedigger, Pushing Daisies, Cemetery, Ghosting, Pumpkin, and Undead. How cute is this palette? I love it, and I'm gonna be using this probably soon because I am obsessed. And then we have one more palette, which is like the red tones of Halloween. It's called Creep It Real. So super cute. So the shades are Terror, Goblin, The Creeps, which is poppin'. Another poppin' color is Goosebumps, Bump in the Night, Spooky, Fright, Low-Key, Horror, and Authentic. Like, this palette is so freaking cute. I love it. 2 more palettes, guys. Just bear with me, please. Next, we got this palette, which I'm excited for. But we have this it's a contour palette, and they have like these highlight shades are so pretty, and like I want to like cut this palette off on the bottom and give the bottom row to my sister so bad. She's deep skin, and I feel like that highlight would look so good on her. These contours would look so good on her. I really want to give it to her so bad, but sorry sis, you can use it whenever you come over. So this is Sassy, Burn, and Sting. The medium shades are Attitude, Respect, and Fire, Ultra, Queen, and Power, which these colors are so, I love how they're not too warm, but they're not like gray. So pretty, and I think they executed this very well, and I love the packaging, like that gradient. The last palette. Is the So Lit palette, which, yes, highlight palette. They gave a really good wide variety of shades to use for different skin tones, and I'm obsessed with that. So the first shade we have is Electric, then we have Alive, then we have Drama, then we have Spark and Maximum, Lightning, then we have Molten, Glow Up, and then we have Lit, which that I want to put on my sister so bad. So this is the So Lit palette, so it's lit, y'all. This is lit. Okay, so now on to other things besides palettes. We have two highlighters, which my sister's gonna get this one, like, duh. This is the Mega Karma highlighter. It's baked. They have a really weird smell to them. I'm not gonna lie, like, they kind of smell like minerals. But this is such a good color for deep skin tone, and I really love it. Wish I could use it low-key, but I can probably use it on my lids and call it a day. And then we have a highlight that suits my skin color. This is Mega Destiny, and it's a nice champagne gold, and y'all, these are freaking popping. Like, I swatched these at work and I was like, wow, like the color payoff is so amazing. And then we have a Pure Baked banana powder, which I don't like the packaging, I'm not gonna lie. I wish there was some type of sifter in here, but there's not. And I think it's for like being able to dip your sponge fully in the powder to bake. So I'm just gonna have an open mind with it. The powder feels very, very finely milled. Hopefully it doesn't dry out my under eyes. So I'm gonna put an oil on before I bake and do my concealer so I can make sure my eyes don't dry out. And then we have three different brow pencils. We have ash brown, warm brown, and dark brown. These are like really, really fine pencil tips. It's an angled precision tip. So I'm obsessed with brow pencils, but I'm only used to like the pointed tip ones. So we're gonna see how this goes with these pencils. Stay tuned for that, because that'll be a sight to see. Okay, and then lips. We have a lip gloss kit, which you can see right up here. I have another one. I kind of like their lip glosses. And then we have some, I don't know if these are matte. They're liquid lipsticks, but I'm not sure if they're matte. The first shade we have is Werewolf, which is a plum color. So this one is so pretty. Like, I'm obsessed with that. Then we have Zombie, which is a black, and I really don't believe these dry down. And then we have this, I love this red. It's really muted, and it's called Vampire. I love this red. Like, it's so gorgeous. And then in this Be Crazy About palette, it's not a palette, it's definitely three lip glosses. So the three lip glosses we got a red, a muted pink, and we got a bright watermelon pink. Watermelon pink is called Smitten, and then we have Let's Dance Infatuated, and then we have Suck On. Makeup Obsession, what y'all doing with these names? Okay, you guys, we are almost done. Just bear with me. We have these two other things from their Halloween collection, and this is the Ghost Story Liquid Latex. Of course, I'm not going to swatch it, but this is what it looks like. It's just liquid latex. I will let you guys know how this is, because I do like to do some liquid latex cuts, which you can watch right here. I used the Walmart one. Then we have Fake Blood, and it's called Love Bite. So, it's after Halloween, but do you want to... I have an idea. You're going to see me use this soon. Just know. Just wait. Okay, just a few more things, guys, and we are going to be done. So we got two primers. We have the Blur primer, and we have the matte primer. I know they have a lot of primers in Target, so definitely go there. I want more of these because these seem like they're really good, and I know a couple of my friends use them and they love them to death. And then we have this Dewy Fix. This seems like a really good setting spray. Like, look at the mist is really good. Like, that's a good mist. Like, it's really pretty. But the smell, like, Makeup Obsession, please change the smell of this stuff. Like, it doesn't stink, but it doesn't smell good. Okay, and lastly, we have the Mega Conceal concealers. I had them send me shades I can highlight, contour, and conceal with. This is shade 6. Then we have shade 1, so I can mix in and like highlight a little bit or use it as a cut crease. Then we have shade 15 for contour, and my sister, you're not stealing this from me, so don't even freaking think about it. Maybe one day, but I'm gonna test it for contour first, and then you probably will get this, I'm not gonna lie. So okay, you guys, so the box is empty. I know that was probably a long video, but thank you for watching. Thank you for hanging out with me, and I appreciate you guys so much. Let me know what you want me to use first. Like, which palette do you want me to use first? Like, because, like, this. Like, which palette? Like, I've already used one. Okay. We have this many palettes to choose from, guys. Let me know in the comments down below which palette you want me to use. So, if you want more unboxing videos, just let me know. I do get packages and PR, which I'm so appreciative of. And I usually don't post them because I don't want to feel like bragging. I just use the product. But I do unbox on my Instagram. But if you want to see more unboxes on here, let me know down below. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video.